Hey guys, please subscribe to our channel Travel Speed and press the bell icon to never miss any update from Auto World. Datsun Go Cross. For the first time it was showcased as a concept version during 2016 Auto Expo in Japan. However, it launched in Indonesia with the name Datsun Cross, not the Datsun Go Cross. So let's find out what Datsun has to offer in the production version of this car. Styling is exactly matched to the concept version showcased in the Auto Expo. In the front, it has wider and taller bonnet with Datsun's massive signature thick chrome grille which has honeycomb shaped black clusters. Sweepback headlamps look stylish, which houses LED DRLs, projector headlamps and turn indicators. At the bottom there is silver and black lighting designs which looks entirely different from any other crossovers. Just below the headlamp there are high beam night vision lights which some people use as accessories in their SUVs. However, here the company provided and designed very attractively, giving the front a urban SUV look. This car shares the same platform as that of Datsun Go Plus, hence you will get the same length. However, if you notice, Datsun has really done a great job in designing the sides. Unlike the other crossovers available in India, it has not simply added claddings in sides. However, it slightly reshaped the window lines which look bit slimmer. Below the window lines, the metal portion of the doors looks slimmer too because the addition of dual tone black and silver cladding in the bottom. The round shaped black cladding on top of the tire section looks muscular. The black alloy wheels design in the 170/65 R15 tires looks great and in sync with the side design. There is also an option of silver alloy wheel. Ground clearance is impressive, which is 200 mm, and it helpful in driving the car in rough section of the road. Roof rails are also dual tone and different roof rail design than the currently available crossovers. The color quality has been drastically improved than the Go Plus. It looks rich and dazzling. The back look bit familiar with the Go Plus, however the rear spoiler and cladding in the bottom looks bit sporty. Rear wiper is also available in the top trims. The interior also designed very attractively and comes with loads of features. As it shares the same Datsun Go Plus platform, hence it is sub-4 motor car. However, managed to provide 5+2 seats. The last row seat is barely useful, however okay for small kids. If you are not using the third row, then you can fold it to get plenty of boot spaces, which makes the car very practical and spacious. You can also fold the second row seats. The dashboard design is really great, all black with hexagonal water flow design at the center, which houses 7-inch touchscreen and AC and audio controls. On top, AC vents are beautifully integrated. AC vents are circular though. Gear is still attached to the dashboard, however it looks good here. Touch and finish of the materials are really good inside the cabin. The 3-spoke steering wheel is neatly designed and bits of silver cladding present at the bottom of the steering. Instrument cluster is big and well readable. Touchscreen features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sat-nav and Bluetooth call and audio control. Under the hood, it comes with two engine options. One is 1.2 liter 3-cylinder 5-speed petrol manual transmission which generates 68 bhp. Another one is with CVT transmission which produces 75 bhp and 104 Nm of torque. There is no diesel engine as of now. The engine produces very less vibration and minimizes all engine noises. You will get all the following features in the top trim model of the car: ABS EBD with brake assist, dual airbag, vehicle dynamic control, parking sensor, central locking, engine immobilizer, keyless alarm with shock sensor, auto light plus follow me home light, and 6.75-inch touchscreen. Price is around 50,000 more than the current Datsun Go Plus. So here is our opinion for this car. It has done a great job in both the interior and exterior looks. The design is definitely a head turner. Price is comparatively less than any of the crossover available in India. It's very practical, spacious car, and it's no problem if you have around 5 to 6 members in your family. CVT option is really great here. So it's the best value for money car which will attract many customers in this segment. So that's all for today guys. Please like and share this video with your family and friends and subscribe to our channel Travel with Speed to never miss a video from Auto World. Till then, take care and bye bye. You guys have a great day.